Have you tried to launch a game and seen an error like DirectX Runtime required or D3D12.dll is missing? So, what exactly is DirectX? Is it software, or just a DLL? Let's understand. What is DirectX? DirectX is a collection of APIs. Those APIs are implemented by Microsoft's DirectX Runtime. DirectX includes various types of files, such as exe files, cab files, and DLL files. The exe and cab files are mainly used for installation. However, it's the DLL files that implement the DirectX APIs and are used by games when they run. Its purpose is to help games and multimedia applications communicate with your computer's hardware. Instead of every game talking directly to the graphics card, sound card, keyboard, or controller, the game sends requests to DirectX. DirectX then translates those requests into instructions that your hardware understands. Why was DirectX created? Imagine you're a game developer creating an exciting new game. Your game has to run on graphics cards from NVIDIA, AMD, Intel, and many other manufacturers. Without DirectX, you'd have to write different graphics code for each type of hardware. If a new graphics card was released, you might even need to update your game again. This would make game development complex. To solve this problem, Microsoft introduced DirectX. Instead of communicating directly with every graphics card, games communicate with DirectX. The graphics card manufacturer create drivers that understand DirectX commands and translate them into instructions for their hardware. This standardization allows the same game to run on millions of Windows PCs. How does DirectX work? Let's see what happens when you launch a game. You press play. The game wants to draw a character on your screen. Instead of directly controlling the graphics card, the game sends a request to DirectX. DirectX converts that request into commands that the graphics driver understands. The graphics driver then sends those commands to the GPU. Finally, the GPU renders the image and displays it on your monitor. The flow looks like this: game to DirectX to graphics driver to GPU to monitor. Is DirectX just a DLL? This is where many people get confused. DirectX is not a single DLL. Instead, DirectX is a software framework that is implemented using multiple DLL files. These DirectX DLLs are just a small subset of the thousands of DLL files found in Windows. Think of DirectX as a complete toolbox. Each DLL is one tool inside that toolbox, designed to perform a specific task. Some DirectX DLLs include D3D12.dll, dxgi.dll, and dwrite.dll. What are the main uses of DirectX? DirectX isn't only for graphics. It provides several tools for games and multimedia applications. These include rendering 2D and 3D graphics, playing high-quality audio, reading keyboard, mouse, and controller input, running GPU features like shaders and ray tracing. Because of this, almost every Windows game depends on DirectX in some way. How to check your DirectX version? Checking your DirectX version is very easy. Press Windows plus R. Type dxgi.dll. Press Enter. The DirectX diagnostic tool opens. On the System tab, you'll see the installed DirectX version like DirectX 11 or DirectX 12. How to install DirectX? Method 1. Run Windows Update. Windows 10 and Windows 11 already include DirectX, and updates keep it current. Method 2. Install the official DirectX Runtime. Some older games require legacy DirectX Runtime files. This adds the missing runtime libraries without replacing your existing DirectX version. Method 3. Use the DirectX installer included with games. Many games include their own DirectX installer inside folders like Redist, Redistributables, or DirectX. Running this installer installs only the components required for that particular game. Do not download individual DirectX DLL files from unknown websites. Those files may be outdated or incompatible. Always install DirectX from official Microsoft sources. Does installing DirectX improve frames per second? Not usually. DirectX is a software interface. Installing it won't increase your frames per second. It simply ensures that games have the required runtime components to function correctly. DirectX is a collection of APIs that acts as a bridge between games and your computer's hardware. Share and subscribe to our channel for more tech videos.